Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Solana, seeing what's going on. We have this interesting little behavior going on right now. A lot of manipulation wicks, just based on Bitcoin pumping and hitting very hard here recently. So just be very careful trading coins right now. I'm kind of taking a sideline look, waiting for things to kind of relax and calm down. Bitcoin's pumping to 50,000, and while that's all well and good, that's causing a massive ripple in the altcoin market. So we can see Solana's up a pretty solid percent here in just the last little bit here. In the last couple of hours, about 5.5%. Okay, so again, if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, just hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below, and you can learn with the best. We got some awesome traders over in our community. Cryptocash.tech is, again, where you can register for that. Premium Plus, I'm taking some nice profits here from Matic, Cardano, and ADA. So, well, ADA and Cardano is the same thing, but you get the idea. Taking some nice scalps here. Those are longs, and then of course previous Solana 60% over the weekend, and a nice little short from Chainlink 15%. We got in and out quickly on that one though, thankfully, because that thing tore this weekend. So be very careful trading Chainlink too. That's a naughty one right now. Okay, so what we want to look at is some backend data here. What we're looking at here, first of all, for Solana is the last 7 days of trading. So we take a quick peek here, we can kind of see that generally speaking, ton of liquidation at 111. We've known this for a while, but it's getting heavier and heavier as the price action continued lower. So a lot of late shorts essentially trying to short right now. Be careful with that. Keep in mind, of course, down as low as 100 to 104, 103, heavy liquidation too. So it could go either way. But we are much closer to this upper level, leading me to believe that 110, a good little sweep there would make sense, especially if Bitcoin can breach 50,000 and or stay above that level. Okay, so just be mindful. We got some interesting stuff playing out here with Bitcoin right there. Okay, it's actually over 50,000 now, so this is interesting. So just pay close attention. I think keep your head on a swivel right now. Things are going to get very interesting very soon. Okay, so let's talk about the daily time frame. No more speculation. Let's just go ahead and look at the data, kind of see what's going on. When we look at the moving averages, we want to confirm we're still above all four. That's fantastic. Extremely bullish. Stochastic RSI swinging down. Money flow index coming down as well. It's not a great sign, but you got to keep in mind we just got this instant pump. What was it? Keep this in mind. This isn't Solana, but Solana does have a lot of new volume in it too. $1.1 billion in 15 minutes pumped into Bitcoin just an hour ago, roughly. On Binance alone. Okay, that doesn't even exclude other exchanges. Okay, so when Bitcoin's pumping and they have tons of money coming into it, same thing happens here as well, where this money flow index isn't really all that accurate on the daily. We'll see it larger on the smaller time frames. What I'm getting at is that's nothing to worry too much about. RSI is still pretty high. Normally you concern yourself with low MFI on the daily, but it's a lagger right now, if you will, right? Not a logger, not the kind you drink, but it's a lagger, okay? And in this case here, while it may cause you to want to drink, depending on the direction you're going, we're definitely back up above some key levels here. So let's talk about the 4-hour time frame, right? We're above all moving averages. We dropped below the 20. Now we're back up above. While we did close above that, I still don't trust it completely, but I do think that is still more so a bullish sign. Here's that pivot that I was talking about as well, where we can see money flow index increasing, bouncing off of that rough estimate of 50 on the RSI. So while it broke down below, it's giving us a lot of bearish signs, instantly turned right around. That's typical manipulation 101, folks. That's just kind of what it is. That's how it happens all the time. And right now we can see stochastic swinging up here, so some seriously bullish signs. We haven't broken bullish officially yet on the MACD, but we're getting close. Okay, so again, most things are pointing upwards here, but once more, if we cannot break through this level of about 110, 111, there's a decent chance we could see the price continue lower, because we're technically still making lower highs right now, right? We haven't officially broken free from that little range. So just some friendly advice, that's roughly what we're looking at there. Be very careful trading this coin right now. I have a lot of folks that are in profit from our trade we took roughly about a week ago. We got in about 93 to 97, right in that range, and still highly profitable. So if you haven't taken profits on that yet, you probably should, just be safe, but move your stop loss higher as you see fit. Okay, that's the important thing. Securing profits, really, if you cannot secure profits, what are you doing trading, right? It's the whole point is to ensure that you're making money. I don't understand the whole concept of holding on too long, at least with leverage. Folks, you realize that the longer you hold a leveraged trade, the more in fees you're going to pay, right? So please recognize there's this double-edged sword. There's kind of a sweet spot of holding coins for only a certain amount of time, not indefinitely. We're up to a 4 here on TD sequential, so this is a new little push. Nothing really to see here. Important thing is we did break above tentatively this 108.60 mark. I'm not super convinced about that yet being a positive thing. We're still within the cloud and or underneath the upper lead. So all the more reason to be careful taking a long position. Again, breakout traders, they can have some difficult times in situations like this because the cloud is letting us know we're still on a resistance. So the truth is we won't, until the price can go sideways for just say 3 or 4 hours or go up for 3 or 4 more hours and stay above the cloud, we have no consideration to take a long position. Lagging spin is not free and clear. Conversion line is still below the baseline. This looks like a fake out to me personally, but once again, a lot of it's based on Bitcoin pumping. All right, so again, that's where altcoins can get kind of tricky sometimes. It's not always just one goes down, the other one goes up. It's never quite like that. In this situation here, we got to be respectful of what's going on and just kind of take our time and not go too crazy. Okay. So again, just some things to kind of think about. So if you're new to the channel, again, thanks again for watching. Make sure you check out Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend it. They've been phenomenal with our community. Trading competition coming up here soon. No KYC or VPN required. Awesome rewards. Use my link to register. Be sure to check them out. Other than that, folks, I can just say that congrats again to our community here for some awesome profits. Things are doing pretty well here. Let's take a look here. We got a new one here, 36% from Ethereum. Pretty solid stuff there, folks. Once more, thanks again for the awesome feedback. Hope you're all having a great rest of your day, and we'll look forward to seeing you the next time. Have a good one. Thanks again for your time. See you soon.